Okay, here we have two lines. We have a straight line, and we have a line that involves a modulus and a transformation, a translation. And they meet at 2 points, on the y-axis and some other point. So a sketch is always helpful. So if we start by trying to sketch what's going on here. So if we ignore the modulus for a second, then we have a line that looks a little bit like that. Then after the modulus, it will look like that. And then if we then draw the modulus part, that will allow me to translate this upwards by b, and that will then intersect with my other line, the slope of 3/2 and the y-intercept of 8. Now, because we know they intersect on the y-axis, we know that point is 8. So it's going to have a slope like that. So we know that they intersect at this point and this point. So this point is going to be C, and this point is going to be 0, 8, obviously. And they want X, or they want C in terms of A. So they want to know what this is in terms of that. So I guess we just need two equations. We need to write an equation for this and an equation for this. The equation for this is easy because we don't need the modulus, because there was no modulus involved in drawing this leg of the equation. So we just say 2x minus a plus b equals 3/2x plus 8. And in this particular case, x equals c. So we can substitute c. That gives me 2c minus a plus b equals 3/2c plus 8. Bring the c's together. That gives you c/2 equals a minus b plus 8. So c equals 2a minus 2b plus 16. So that is my first equation. Okay, that will probably help me towards my answer. I still need to get rid of the b somehow, and I'll do that by looking at the other point. So the other point, we want the modulus. So x here is 0. So I'm going to substitute a 0 here and a 0 here, because they said x equals 0. So you're going to have the modulus of minus a plus b equals 3/2 0 plus 8. So a plus b equals 8, b equals 8 minus a, and I can take that and plug it straight into there. So that gives me c equals 2a minus 2 into 8 minus a plus 16. So c equals 2a minus 16 plus 2a plus 16. So c equals 4a, and that would be my final answer. They said find c in terms of a, so I'd say c equals 4 times a.